Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's a pleasure to join you. Today we're dealing with a fractions and quantities question, and without further ado, we get straight into it. Peter ate 1/5 of his 250 Smarties. So I'm really impressed with Peter, firstly for exercising self-control to not eat all 250, and secondly for having the time and patience to count all of his Smarties before he went ahead and ate all of them. How many Smarties were left? How many Smarties were left? Now, there's very important points in this question. The first thing we've got is 1/5 of 250. Okay, so 1/5 of 250. How do we represent that in mathematics? We can say that 1/5 of 250 is times 250 over 1. The reason I'm representing the 250 over 1 is because it makes it easier for me to understand that I times the 5 by the 1 and I times the 1 by the 250. Now, what's very important for you to note is what they're asking you specifically, but we'll get to that a little bit later. Now, let's start off by dealing with this question. The first thing we can do, guys, remember, is always try and simplify it for ourselves. So we know that 5 can go into itself once, and it goes into 25 50 times, okay? So that would mean that we're left with 1 and 50 at the top and 1 and 1 at the bottom. So that means our answer here is going to be 50 over 1, which can also be represented as 50 Smarties. So what do we know about these Smarties? The 50 Smarties that we've got here are the Smarties that Peter has actually eaten. But the question is not asking us how many Smarties he ate. The question is asking how many Smarties were left. So if Peter started with 250 Smarties and he ate 50, that would take away 50 from the 250. And that means that a total of 200 Smarties are left over. And that would give you the full marks. Another way of doing this, guys, would be instead of timesing the 250 by the 1 over 5, you could say that because he ate 1 over 5, that would mean that 4 over 5 are left. And you would simply change that 1 to a 4, and you would multiply 4 over 5 by 250, and you would be left with 200 Smarties as your answer, which would be the same answer and would get you the same marks. That shows you how there are more than one approaches to getting the right answer in a mathematics question. That's all from me, guys. Before I go, very special thank you to our sponsor. Find out more about them in the description below. If you're keen for more videos like this, find them on our website. If we haven't answered your question yet, remember you can send it to us and we will respond with a personalized video. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.